Welcome to the world of the extraordinary. We're diving into Africa's heart to meet the top 5 rarest animals on the continent. First, the Ethiopian wolf. It's not just the world's rarest canid, but also Africa's most endangered carnivore. Then we have the riverine rabbit, a species so elusive it's been dubbed the bush ghost. Moving on to the addax, often called the white antelope. This desert dweller is critically endangered, with fewer than 100 left in the wild. Next, the black rhinoceros. Despite conservation efforts, this majestic beast remains under threat. Finally, the northern white rhino. With only 2 females left, it's the most endangered species on the planet. Stay tuned for more journeys into the wild right here on our channel.